This summer house is set on the banks of Lake Huron in a small, remote Canadian town about an hour's drive from London, Ontario. While the architectural context might be characterized as somewhat conservative, cabin country, this house attempts to extend the possibilities of the traditional lakeside family retreat through a contemporary architectural approach. Harnessing recent developments in design, technology, and sustainability to connect meaningfully with its beautiful natural setting while exploring new ways of enhancing the lifestyle experience of the family's summer getaway. While the aesthetic approach that Cape Town-based architecture firm SAOTA took might seem like a radical departure from traditional regional architecture, the architects have taken great care to keep the design unobtrusive and sensitive to its setting, while still making an architectural statement. The site is a bluff occupying the transitional space between water and forest, rising 3.5 m from road level and then dropping down to the water to create a grassy embankment. The rear of the house, facing Lake Huron, dissolves into a two-story wall of glass washing natural light deep into the interiors. Conceptually, the design consists of a series of stacked and suspended rectangular boxes, one embedding the building into the ground plane, the other suspended overhead to allow the living level to exist between the volumes. An indoor-outdoor volume to the south anchors the building and maximizes the site's lakeside views while allowing the living spaces to occupy the foreground. A bank of bedrooms projects backward above the garage. How the building is largely obscured from the street and in turn screens views of the lake helps build suspense on arrival, only to satisfy the sense of anticipation on entry via the large pivot door. From the threshold, a dramatic triple-volume atrium lets in natural light and draws the eye outwards towards the viewer. Programmatically, in keeping with the client brief, the spaces are fluid, the levels easy to navigate and the layout simple and well-structured, allowing for a casual atmosphere. The vast central volume is subtly contrasted with more intimate and contained volumes in the kitchen and other living spaces for a varied and articulated spatial experience. The upper-level housing of the master bedroom is devoted entirely to the owner's private space, including an office and a gym. To the front of the house, a covered outdoor entertainment area flanks a swimming pool. A boardwalk and staircase descend to a refurbished cabin that predated the house and now houses a guest suite and additional outdoor entertainment area to facilitate long summer days playing on the lake. The finishes, externally and internally, favor a ceramic paneled system robust and hardwaring enough to prove long-lasting in the extremes of the Canadian climate, which together with the home's energy efficiency and the general longevity of the project and its materials, and components and fittings contribute to its sustainability. Here's a look at the plan. Thanks for watching and subscribing to our channel. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.